everyone, my name is Dawe, and I'm the leader of One Tree Alaska, and welcome to our fabulous Dentist STEAM studio on the UAF campus. We've had the pleasure of working with some of you who are attending the fair today, and so those people know that One Tree's mission is to creatively engage learners of all ages in boreal forest education, citizen science, and forest product development. We are thrilled to be part of the Arctic Educators Fair this year because this is a pivot time for One Tree. It's the first year where we will be working on 4 federal funded research projects that don't come from One Tree, but other parts of the university, and we're being asked to bring our particular methodology developed over years with you, with the teachers of OTAPAR, the One Tree Alaska Participatory Action Research Teacher Collaborative, which we affectionately call OTAPAR for short. So, to tell you about these 4 research projects, 2 of them are funded by the National Science Foundation's Navigating the New Arctic program. They're really interesting in that they're solution-based approaches to research. The first one looks at PM 2.5 pollution, an especially thorny issue here in our region, and how to mitigate for it. The second one, called Firewall, is creating an interactive online platform that will provide an early warning system for getting information out to communities that wildfire is approaching and getting information back from the communities about particularly vulnerable populations within their regions. The second 2 research projects are funded by the U.S. Department of Agriculture, and they're called McIntyre-Stennis Forestry Projects. The first uses satellite imagery and GIS images and mapping to look at a whole suite of forest issues that are becoming more pronounced as climate change progresses. It will produce an annual report card on flooding and drought, insects, and wildfire. So, report cards. The 4th project is closer to the ground, and it looks at interannual changes in temperature, adding up to climate, and at the growth of the forest with those interannual changes. So it looks at a tree as a vertical watershed, at how sap rises in the spring, is released to the air, causes storms to come in early summer, and then brings water back to the ground and to the watershed. We're really excited about this because as part of the research effort, the team will be teching up one of the trees in One Tree's research garden on UAF campus. So we invite you to come, be part of all of these. Be part of a research project that is education-based within these wider research projects. Please get in touch. Let us know which ones you would like to be involved with. And know that for all, the approach is exactly the same as you use in your classrooms, where you use peer learning to amplify the teaching possibilities. That's what OTAPAR is about, using peer teaching amongst teachers and they working with their students to bring better improvements to STEM education for Alaskan students. Thank you for this opportunity to speak with you today.